What's going on? In this video, we're going to look at how you can load videos for your product page in your Shopify as soon as the page loads. You might have currently how Shopify has their videos set up, usually especially on mobile, but I think it's for both desktop and mobile. There's a placeholder that once the page loads, you see that play button that you have to click on with the placeholder before the video plays. You might want on your store, instead of that, you just want the page to load or the video to load as soon as the page loads. So in this video, I'm going to show with you the code that you can add to your files to be able to get that effect so that as soon as the page loads, you can get the video to load. So what you want to do is go to your code files and go to mediagallery.js. I believe this should be in the assets folder, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see, assets. Okay, yeah, mediagallery.js. Go to the assets folder and then mediagallery.js. And this is the code that you want to add here. I'm basically just going to explain to you. You can pause it and add the code, but I'm going to explain to you what it does. So basically here, when the page is loaded, it's going to look for all the different video elements. You notice here it says all the media. So all the media elements are going to be searched for. And then for each element, it's going to be loaded. It's very simple. It might look confusing, but it's very simple. As soon as the page loads, all the media elements are going to be found. And then for each of them, they're going to be loaded. And so if you come down here, you notice that the same code is added again. So you want to add that code at the very top before you see the if custom elements. Add this code here, but then again, right under this the slide change here, you want to add this code block again. And so this is now targeting this deferred media, like how this one was targeting the deferred media. And the reason that it's like this twice is because if you go into the code, you'll notice that Shopify actually has each video loaded as twice. I'm not too sure why it does it. I was looking to it. I'm not sure why it's like that, but each video is actually loaded twice. The deferred media, and then it has the deferred media transparent. So there's two different classes that are being loaded. But anyways, you want to add this code block twice. So the one that was up there, you want to add this one also down here. And so what this code is doing is when you see this function, this media element is basically what allows videos to be loaded in Shopify. So again, you basically want to load these videos as soon as the page loads. So that's why you have this code here. You can pause it, copy it, but that's basically what it's allowing you to do that. Instead of the normal action, which was click, wait for something to happen, then load, we want to override that. We want the videos to load as soon as the page loads. So you can add this code in, save it, and it should be working to get your videos to play as soon as the page loads. And if you have any issues with it, if it's not working for you, please feel free to reach out and I'll be glad to help you get this set up for your store to get this custom feature. Or if maybe you have another custom feature in mind, you have some other ideas for your Shopify store that you want to get created, please feel free to reach out and I'll be glad to help you. But once again, I hope this video was helpful on how you can get started to get your videos to load as soon as the page loads.